This is the KLICKfix bottle click adapter. It's for use with bikes normally, but I'm trying it on my wheelchair to see if it works, because I've tried many bottle holders and none of them work. In this kit you get the instructions booklet, piece of rubber band to hold it in place, the adapter, the other part of the adapter, your Allen key, your screws, etc., and two of these metal straps that you have to use, whichever fits you, the size of your chair or your bike or whatever you're using it on. Right, to start with, what I done was found the right size you need of the metal strap, put it to size, and for this, once you've got the right size, you get this black bracket bit, put it through one side that way and then through the other side that way, so you can bend them over once it's on your chair, which I will show as I'm doing it. Right, you get the rubber band, wrap it round where you want to put it, around the tubing like that. Then you get the one you've already measured, so you know which one you're using, and then you add that on. Make sure it's in the middle, it is fiddly. Well, I can get it right. Try and hold it in place if you can. And then you get the bracket, put it over the one side, as you can see, just like that. Just put it over, get the other side, make sure you don't lose it. Put it over the other side, so you can clamp it onto your tubing. Then push it down like that so it's tight. And make sure that's tight around the tubing that you want it on. Which I ain't got it tight enough, so I'm going to undo it and start again. Right, I'll put the rubber band on, ready, put a piece of tape on just to help keep it together because it was sliding. You put your metal bracket on top of the rubber, then you get the bracket, which is just that, and then you could put it in one side and then put it in the other side, which is a bit fiddly. I ain't sure which way that goes. I think I've got it the right way round. And you have to hold it down, hold it like that, and then you got to get it as tight as you can. But you've got to make sure you keep it on the rubber band. Just drop the slipping. Once I've got it right, I will show you exactly how it looks. Get some pliers. Just drop bend into the position you need. There we go. Clamping it together, so because you've got to keep it tight. Preferably so down me, but it is hard to do. But hopefully that's done the job. And then you get this part, and there's a screw in the screw in there. Use the Allen key, and then you place it on top of your bracket that you've already put on your brim. Just put it on top in position. And then you just get your Allen key, put it inside the hole there, and just tighten it up until you got it as tight as you need. You can release it if you want to move it sideways, but then you get, this is your release. So all you do, it's got ridges on the back, you just slide it in, click it, and it's in place. Then slide it out, press the sides in, put it out. And now I'm going to add this to my bottle holder, which I'll also do a video on, and I'll also link where the company that sent me this to review with this, which all comes as a package, and then I had to buy the bottle holder and bottle separate, which I'll also put the link on for those. It is good, and I will do a review as I try it out. Right, that's it in position on my chair. As you can see, I've got it on the side with the tubing that comes down the side for your legs. Then you get this bit, and all you do is push it on, release, and then you go, I dropped it. Going to the water bottle and the holder now. This is the water bottle holder that I purchased from Amazon. Along with the water bottle that came with it, which just slots inside like that. Then you just put it out. It's quite easy to pull out, probably get looser after a while. And then what you do is you get your bracket bit, which attaches to the back of there, that way round, which I'm now going to attach, which you need a screwdriver, and the screws come with the kit, and then once I've done that, I will show you this attachment attached to the bracket. Right, I've attached the bracket to the holder, which there it is, and it just screws in from the back of it. Make sure they're tight so they don't fall out or move when you're on rough ground. The KLICKfix bottle click adapter, mini adapter it's called, is now on my chair, which you can see right here. There's the bottle holder, which I've put the other part of the adapter on for the quick release action. Now I'm going to show you how it releases and how it clicks in and how it looks. Right, there's your adapter. You just push it in and it's done, it's in. To release it, press the two red clips at the side, these here, both sides together, and then click it like that. Click it in, release, push it in, to take it back out. You do that and it's done. It's that easy. To be fair, it was pretty easy to put on once you get the hang of it. It weren't too complicated really. You just need to know how to work out how to do it to begin with, which I found the easiest way to do it, because I was trying to read the instructions and the instructions weren't straightforward. Working it out how I've just done it is trying it how it's supposed to go on first, and then doing it is a lot easier to do. Thanks for watching my video. Any questions, just get in touch and I'll answer anything you need to know. I'll also put links for the adapter, the kit for the adapter, and also the holder. I've also got other items that I've added to my chair recently, which is some lights at the bottom for when it's dark, which I'll do in another video. I've also got lights on my wheels down here on the rims, which I'll also do in another video. I've also got a bag underneath which I keep chargers in or whatever you want to keep in, which I also purchased separately, and I'll also do a video and link the products on the videos that I do for those. Thanks for watching. Bye.